Hey, what's up guys, I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank all my subscribers because I have gone past 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel and I'm really happy about it. A big shout out to all my subscribers, and if you are not my subscriber and you are watching this video for the first time, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Okay guys, coming back to today's video. In today's video, I will be unboxing and giving you all the first impression of Google Home Mini. Okay guys, I have never used any smart speaker, so this is the first time I'm going to use it. Okay guys, now let's just have a look around the box. On the front side it has a image of the speaker, then it has Google Home Mini name written on it, then we also have the Google logo, then below we have the color of this Google speaker. I have got charcoal color, so it is mentioned as charcoal. Then we also have some product information. Then moving on to the sides, again we have another view of the Google Home speaker. Then we also have a list of applications supported by this device. Then on the other side we have a few questions which we can ask to the speaker, like what's the latest news and stuffs like that. Then on the back side it says small and mighty, and again it has got some product information. So that's pretty much it from this box. So now let's start the unboxing. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, as you all can see, inside we have got the speaker, so it feels good to hold in the hand. At the bottom it has got a matte finish to it. Let's just keep it aside and see what else we have got inside the box. Next we have got some paperwork. Next we have got the power cord for this speaker. The quality of the power cord is excellent. Okay guys, now coming back to the speaker. At the top it has got a nice textured feeling. I really like it. As you all can see, there is no buttons whatsoever. We just have got the USB port, and next to it we have got the microphone slider. Okay guys, now let me set up the speaker. Meanwhile, we'll just have a quick look at the specification of this device. Okay guys, now I have completed my setup. The setup was pretty easy. To set up your Google Home, all you need is just download the application from the Play Store. Then you will need to sign in using your Gmail account. Okay guys, on the left hand side you have the option for caching your screen or audio. Inside that you will be having your speaker. Click connect, your speaker will be connected and you are ready to go. Okay guys, now coming to the first impression of this device. Each time when we power on the speaker, we get LED notification on the center of the speaker, which looks super cool. It has got 4 LED lights. Okay guys, the second thing is that the sound quality in the speaker is excellent. It is really loud. I never expected this sound from a very small device. The speaker must be placed only on one place. You cannot take it wherever you go. Then the next thing which I noticed is that it actually has got invisible buttons. Yes guys, on the sides of the speaker, actually if you tap it on the right side, the volume increases. Then on the left side, if you tap it, the volume decreases. Then if you hold the Google Home Mini for just about 2 seconds, it starts playing the music. Again, if you hold it for another 2 seconds, it stops playing the music. Remember, you cannot find the buttons, but this is again a super cool feature. Okay guys, now moving on to the voice command feature. The voice command feature on this speaker is pretty excellent. It is fast and it responds very quickly. Now let's just ask few questions to this device and see how it responds. Okay Google, what is the time right now?
It's 3:09.
Okay Google, what's the temperature?
In Chennai right now, it's 37.
Okay Google, what is the review for Google Home Mini?
On the website digitaltrends.com, they say, the Google Home Mini blows the Amazon Echo Dot's onboard sound quality right out of the water. The Mini is louder, clearer, and generally higher in fidelity. If decent sound from a compact speaker is a priority, the Google Home Mini is the clear choice.
The voice command which we are giving, it works perfectly almost all the time, but for few questions it just gives some other answers. Okay Google, how many subscribers do I have on YouTube?
On the website Quora.com, they say, when you reach 10,000 subscribers, you can expect $100 to $300 for sponsorship. You can expect $100 plus from YouTube ads.
Okay Google, play some other song.
Sorry, play something else is not yet supported.
Okay Google, can you play Imran Khan hat-trick?
Sorry, hat-trick isn't available in your area.
I kept the speaker on one part of the room and I tried giving commands from various parts of the room, and it responded almost every time except few times, that is when the song is being played on the speaker, and if you need some information from Google, you have to come very close to the speaker and give command to the speaker. This is because the sound is very loud and the speaker might not be able to catch your voice. So this is one thing to notice. This, I guess, it might be a disadvantage of this Google Home Mini. Anyway, this is just the initial impression. I'll have to test it more. Okay Google, remind me in another 10 minutes that I should start making videos.
Sorry, when do you want to be reminded?
Can you remind me at 1:30?
Sure, today at 1:30 p.m. To get these reminders on an iPhone, download the Google Assistant app.
Okay guys, that's it from this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.